Mzee Mba.
But she was pulled on the ground with a motorbike. So
Nilivunjika katikati.
Mkubwa uliwapa umejiza kwa nini? Na miti ya nani?
Na
Akali alikuwa na nafsi. Lakini wako sawa.
First of all, we are here because of what happened in Olengoroni on the 6th and on the 7th. On the 6th, there was some burglary in an estate called Amazon, where some of our officers from Olengoroni reside. People broke in and stole certain items. The following day, a lady was found in one of the houses, in a toilet, and somebody screamed. So members of the public came and actually assaulted her. The Kenyan behavior, of subjecting people to mob injustice. The lady alleges that one of the people who participated in that is a police officer, and we are actually investigating those allegations. So she's fingering one as having participated in this, and also thanking the other for saving her life. The only thing I want to say is that when such things happen, and members of the public come out, we would like them to be a bit civil. Not everybody is a suspect, and they're innocent until proven guilty. So the idea of subjecting people to mob injustice is not very good. In fact, I'm sure, were it a typical scenario, we'll be talking about other things. Maybe she could have been lynched. Number two, our people are more interested in taking videos instead of helping people who are in distress. I know that fellow who was taking this video had even attempted to say, "Wacha, just stop." Maybe this would not have happened because it took quite some time, and there was no single person even on that clip that was trying to intervene for the lady. She was screaming, asking for help, but people were encouraging what was happening. So these kind of behaviors, I think they're despicable, and we condemn them in the strongest terms possible. As of today, the people who participated in that burglary, three suspects have already been taken to court. She is one of them. She's recorded a statement, and we are just waiting for her to get well. The people who assaulted her, we already have about 4 suspects in custody, including the first person who screamed. And we are looking for others. Even as we speak now, we have got enough security officers on the ground who are looking for the owner of the motorbike and the other people who are there because they can be recognized from their voices. And I believe in due course we're going to have them arrested also. About what happened, we were not there. The story we're getting is from the victim herself. She recorded a statement before this thing became public through the social media. She had already recorded her statement, and she received some good treatment at Olengoroni Hospital. So we're not covering anybody. And what I want just to emphasize is that in any family, we also have some rogue people, some from black sheep, and the police not 100% decent. You find 99.9% of our officers are good, but then you find just one person who may come out and do something. Then it's like we want to use that one to condemn everyone. And as we are saying, all the officers who participated in this, including the one who rescued, as we speak now, they're being interrogated. They're with the CID, and they're also recording their statements. If they're found culpable, they're going to be taken to court because we are not here to cover up for anyone. Inquiry files have been opened, and action is going to be informed by what happens after the investigations are done. Those who have engaged in criminal activities, of course, they'll be taken to court. Those who stood by and watched as assassin was being assaulted again, the dereliction of duty is equally an offense. The moving of this lady from Olengoroni to here was a government decision, because we want to get the best medical care possible, and the government is going to foot all the bills here. Yeah, actually she participated in that robbery on the 6th. Yeah, she was mentioned by others, and she mentioned others have already appeared in court. She has not gone to court because of obvious reasons. But once she gets well, she's going to face justice, and those who assaulted her will equally face justice, because you're going to correct one wrong with another.